Okay, I'm going to remove the oil cap filter. I don't know if I can do it with my hands. Let me put the camera, set everything so I can remove it. There you go. Yeah. The way it should be. I don't think that I can remove it with my hands. I need a specific tool for this one. I thought that I can remove with my hands, but it's hard. So I can remove this one with my hands. Let me get some help with some tools. So finally, I'm gonna try with a glove if I can remove it. Let me hold the cell phone. I got 2 gloves, so I can remove this one. It's not easy that I think. But yeah, I started moving. Started move. Yeah. It started move. I need to put a rack at the bottom because when it's open, it's gonna leak some oil.